Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new unboxing for you guys from something brand new from Jujube, and that is the brand new Rose Quartz print, and I'm so excited to open it. You guys know I absolutely love pink and I love pastels and I love rose gold. So it's like all my favorites in one. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. I have an unboxing for you guys today, and if you hang in there until the very end, there might be something special like a giveaway. So definitely hang in there until the end so you guys can find out how to enter to win something in this box. So whew, I'm excited. Also, this print is coming out May 23rd, and I would love if you guys would shop with me. I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys so you can shop through there on release day, and always please. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm kind of tucked away in my bedroom today because my dad is visiting and my son's asleep and my other two are at school. So I'm just trying to stay quiet, trying to hide away a little bit today. Here we go. Bet this literally just came in the mail like 10 minutes ago and I had to open it ASAP. Here we go. I'm so excited about this color. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I feel like this is the mini Helix. It looks bigger. Like, I didn't realize that they had made so many changes. Wow, even the Be Quick is bigger. This is crazy. I can't wait to show you guys all these. So basically, this print is coming out in 3 different styles. You have the mini Helix, which I have here. You have the Be Quick, which is like Giganto Be Quick now. And then you have these Super Bees, and they're all a little bit different than the styles used to be. So I think this is like a preview of what we are going to expect from now on. So here we go. I want to start out with this Be Quick because it's like I said, it's huge. Which I'm kind of excited about. You guys know I like to use my Be Quicks as purses, so it's different. It feels different actually. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna have to use something to cut it open. Unless I want to use my teeth. Maybe I can pull it? Oh wait, I have scissors. I knew that. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is definitely different than what I am used to. Even the hardware is actually different. How am I gonna do this without cutting it? They put like a piece of tape around this. I just want to undo it. I don't even know why I want to undo it. I don't need to. Here we go. Whoa. Okay, so the Be Quick actually has a little bit of padding in it now, so it feels slightly squishy. That's very interesting. So here's the long strap. I am still trying to get used to this, you guys, because it's a completely different look for the Be Quick than I am used to, but here is the print. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous color of pink. It is like, it's in between being pink and lavender. Like the zipper by itself is more of like a pinky lavender, which I love. It is so pretty. This print here, it's like colors in between being pink and purple. It feels, when I look at it, it reminds me of Donatella's Sweet Shop just a little bit, so I'm super excited to pair it with that. But it's got that strawberry pink color to it. I don't even know how to explain it. You guys will find out when you order it, but it's really pretty. And the lining is the same color as the zipper. So here you go. And then you still have that inside zipper right there. So it still functions exactly like a Be Quick, it's just bigger. So that's really neat though. And then you have the really pretty rose gold hardware. So that is the Be Quick. You still have your short strap with it and the long strap, so yay. I like that. And then this mini Helix is, like I said, it's a little different. One of the things I really like about it though is that it actually has like little belt loops on the back now, so you can use it as a fanny pack if you want, which I think is really fun because that's just really cute. I'm really like these new zippers that they put on. All right, so let's look through it. Oh, this is actually a little different. So you have a little zipper compartment in the front here, and then you have a little open pocket here. And on the other mini Helix, I wish I had one here, you had a pocket in the very back of it. So I feel like they flip-flopped that. So now you have that in the front there. So it's definitely different. I'm looking for my scissors again. Here we go. Here we go. Open it up. There's my strap, thank God. Oh my gosh, I love this strap. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this color. This is like my favorite color next to pink and mint. I just love this color. Isn't that pretty, you guys? So pretty. Oh, okay. The clasps are even different. So let's see here. I really didn't want this to be a long video, but because this is like totally new to me, the styles, of course I have to go through every single feature. Okay, so the inside is empty basically, like that, but then you do have the mesh pocket back here. I feel like you could fit quite a bit in here. Like my phone, oh, it's right here. You can fit it in here, no problem. This is, yeah, no problem at all. There's room to spare in there now. Does anybody want to see me pack this up in a packing video? Just comment and let me know, because I would love to do that for you guys. This is a great size. I'm excited about it. Yay! So, yep, that is the new mini Helix. And those are the belt loops on the back. So if you're wearing a belt, I would say it would have to be a fairly thin belt because I'm putting my fingers in there. I feel like tops I can only fit 2 in there. So that's really cool though. So that is the mini Helix, super cute. And then there's the Super Bee, which they kind of redesigned as well. I have no idea what the inside looks like. The only thing I could tell from the pictures that I have seen so far is the only differences I could see from that were the straps, because I thought that was interesting that they replaced the regular straps with these webbed straps, but I always felt like the other straps might not be strong enough for some reason, because I can really load these up with stuff, but this is like, it's like real strong, so I'm excited that they've kind of like reinforced that. So I really like these straps. You still have your plackets on the top here. This print is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. You still have your middle pockets, front pockets I mean. This one goes all the way down. I don't know if they've changed that in recent years. I can't even remember. But they used to have it where it only went down about halfway. This one goes all the way down. And these feel good size. Could definitely fit some swell bottles down in there. Oh! This has a magnetic snap closure, like a hidden one, not like the ones with the nubs. Oh my gosh, what are those called? The usual magnetic snap closures that Jujube has on their Super Bees, this doesn't have. This has a hidden magnet. I like that. I like it a lot. Those magnets always drove me nuts because it was so hard to like line them up just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this all the way. That's interesting. I don't know if anybody else will notice this, but so the magnet that's on the inside of the bag on the back here actually like connects like that. Do you hear that? So I don't know if they intended it to be like that, but it does that. So that's something good to know. So the inside looks basically the same still. So that's great. So it has a back zipper here, as usual. And then you have the very front pockets there that are the mesh ones that you can definitely fit a normal size Be Quick in. You used to be able to. Let's see if this one fits. Because that's something I like to do with my Super Bees is fit Be Quicks down in there. So it looks like it's gonna work. It's just that these are a little bigger. Now, okay, hopefully you guys can see this. Can you guys see that okay? So I put the Be Quick in one of the pockets, so, oh my gosh, these colors together are so pretty. Okay, so now on to the giveaway. So excited. So for the giveaway, I am giving away one of these beautiful new Super Bees in the Rose Quartz print. Like I said, this print isn't coming out until May 23rd. So I'm starting the giveaway today, which is the 14th, and it is going to be ending next week on the 22nd, which is the day before the release. So whoever wins should know that you don't have to buy your own Super Bee from this release. So yay, it's super pretty. This is the one that is going to be in my giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is, number 1, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Number 2, give this video a thumbs up. And number 3, comment down below and let me know what your favorite new piece is from this collection and what print from Jujube you plan to pair with it. So that is it, you guys, and definitely look down below in the description for the official rules to this giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like these new styles. I think they're really cool, so that's it. Thanks for watching.